Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. I wanted to do a comparison of the Guppy, my self-built number 3 size smoother. I wanted to compare it to the antique transitional plane I have made by Keen Kutter. It's their K24. It is roughly the same size, and the blade is a 2-inch. Blade set is a 2-inch. And if you recall in a previous video, I had this set up. I haven't done anything to it since I last used it. And it was taking very similar shavings. And I wonder why. It's a much heavier plane. I just want to see, we're dishing this out in the middle a little bit with all this planing. So, if you notice, where's my little ruler? There it is. I'm not wearing my apron. In the escapement, it's got a fairly steep angle for the front part of the plane. And then it's got a wear bevel. Look at that. And that wear bevel is actually leaning forward this way. It's leaning, so the escapement angle is leaning that way, but the wear bevel is leaning this way a little bit. Huh. Well, you go figure that. I wonder where they got that idea from. I'll tell you where they got that idea from. They got that from the old wooden plane makers. Let's take this apart. This has an ultra-thin blade set, both the lever cap and the plane iron, and I have it set not terribly close. I don't know if you can see it, but it's not terribly close. Can I get, no, that won't fit in there. Do, 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 do. This will fit, maybe. Yes, it will. So, that is the angle of the wear bevel. It is leaning towards the blade set. I guess Walter's not as dumb as he looks. And this is the escapement angle. Very steep. I'm going to measure that and put it down in the comments section. So when you're building a wood plane, keep in mind it needs a wear bevel, and if at all possible, you want it 90 degrees vertical, 5 degrees forward, or 5 degrees back. Yankee Doodle. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. I thought you would be interested in that. Walter out.